So, first part of the video is just a little video I shot for the landowner that we're bailing on, and we'll throw some music on it and go from there. Second part of the video is more me rambling. Let's make a short YouTube video. Hey everybody. Well, it's been a few days anyway since we put up a video. We're baling up some barley with the Kubota BV4580. As you can see, we do grow a good straw crop in this country. Barley straw meant for the feedlots. Kind of about halfway done, I think. Maybe a little bit better than half. But now she's blowing a gale, high wind warning, and thunder and lightning right now, as well as rain. So we'll shut her down. The straw is sitting right around that 15.5%, 16.5% moisture, and this will just put us over the top. No sense hauling water. So anyway, yeah. Kubota's working awesome, just simply awesome. I think out of the 200 and some odd bales that we've made, maybe one isn't what I'd like to see. So can't complain about that. You see volunteer canola in this corner. This crop was actually fallowed this summer, I noticed. I remember driving by it. But anyway, I'd just like to say hi to everyone and show you we're still kicking and screaming. We bailed till 7:30 this morning from 8 or 9 o'clock last night, and then we went home for a little nap, and then we fired back up here at I guess I got to the field about 1:15. Yeah, so we're doing good. Just wish that this rain could have held off. We'd have maybe had a chance of getting that rest of that field bailed up. We'll have to see what we're going to do about that wind. That straw was scattering itself everywhere in that field. So we'll do the best we can. We'll make it right. Fortunate enough to have people that are going to work with us. So. All right, everybody, I'll throw this up tonight. Hope everybody's having a great day and your bales are drier than mine. Bye now.